Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring you another quote to help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom from Jimmy Johnson. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. An army of sheep led by a lion is better than an army of lions led by a sheep. Would you rather be led by a sheep or a lion? That question goes with, would you rather be ordinary or extraordinary? If you want to be in that 1% of incredible people, you need to be doing what the other 99% of people don't want to be doing. So, giving that little extra every day will be what pushes you to get that little bit extra for you and your efforts.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.